At approximately 7 p.m. Wednesday, August 19th, 2026, a fatal midair collision occurred at Carlisle Regional Airport in Cumberland County, Pennsylvania. It involved a Cessna 150 and a Pennsylvania State Police Bell 407 helicopter. The Cessna was being flown by 57-year-old Paul William Sokolowski of Hershey, Pennsylvania. Sokolowski was the only person aboard the airplane. He was an emergency medicine physician with Penn State Health and was also a certified flight instructor. He was killed in the crash. The Bell 407 was being operated by two Pennsylvania State Police Aviation Unit members, Corporal Bryce Corman and Trooper Jason Mills. The helicopter was at Carlisle Airport for a training exercise. Investigators say it was hovering several feet above the ground near the runway over a grassy area adjacent to the runway. According to investigators, the Cessna was attempting to land. The airplane was approaching along the runway when something changed in its flight path. NTSB investigator in charge, Aaron McCarter, said the Cessna initially appeared to be flying straight and level. It then suddenly increased its pitch, with the nose coming sharply upward before turning and leveling off. The airplane subsequently struck the rear portion of the helicopter. The collision was extremely violent. The Cessna broke apart while the helicopter lost its blades and tail boom before crashing onto the ground. The two troopers survived, although both were injured. Corporal Corman has since been released from the hospital, while Trooper Mills remains hospitalized in stable condition. One important fact investigators are emphasizing is that the two aircraft were not simply unaware of each other. Officials say there is evidence that the pilots had communicated before the collision. However, those communications were not recorded, so investigators do not yet know exactly what was said or what each pilot understood about the other aircraft's position and intentions. Carlisle Airport is an uncontrolled airport. There is no control tower directing traffic on the ground or in the traffic pattern. Pilots operating there normally coordinate their movements using a common radio frequency.